Wow. So nice here, guys, in Siargao. Siargao! Hello, good morning. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and we're here in Mactan, Cebu International Airport. And nag-prepare na po kami. Kararating lang namin here from Karkar City, Cebu. And we're heading na sa loob para kumain kasi nagugutom po kami. Let's go! Lasyo kayo mo hair day. $1 million hair ka ayo day. Dili halatang prepared.
1 hour ang tulog.
So we're here in gate 25C, bound to Siargao, and we're waiting now at our 8:35 or for our 8:35 a.m. flight. So guys, so tapos na mo kaming makaboarding, and we're here na sa shuttle to our aircraft. RG, are you excited?
Super excited.
Hello.
So, unahan ninyo at ang malaking daladalahan sa itaas ng compartment.
7 bound for Siargao. Our flight time is approximately 1 hour and 5 minutes. Our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and cabin crew. Your so patient, full cooperation and compliance.
Okay, so parang hindi tayo madadali ngayon kasi flight is at 8:35 a.m. And mukhang palis na kami.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit. Personal belongings
so we just
behind.
landed
Be
in
cautious when
Siargao
opening
Island.
the overhead bins,
So we're
as
so
heavy
much
items
excited.
may have moved.
Thank you.
Welcome to Siargao.
Alright guys, so nakalabas na kami ng airplane and welcome to Siargao. So guys, samahan nyo ako sa adventure ko here in Siargao. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, 650 pa lang tayo. So more. Thank you guys sa support. Keep on watching. Kuya, ano pangalan mo kuya? Bisaya ka? Bisaya po ka?
Oh, Bisaya ra.
Oo, Bisaya ra. Welcome to Siargao. Hello everyone, so we're here na in Siargao and ito po yung tok-tok namin, airport transfer. So samahan niyo ako guys. Tara! So asa ko sa This is very challenging for... Okay na ka diha, ma'am, sir?
Okay ka dira.
Okay na ko. Oh, yeah.
So, sige magdagan.
Tingnan.
Dili ko sa palit.
Dili ka sakit. So, ayan guys, we're heading to our first destination sa North Tour namin in Trogon Birch kasi we decided to proceed na lang sa North Tour kasi we realized na 2 p.m. pa yung namin, yung check-in, and we arrived in Siargao at around 11 a.m. so we still have around 3 hours to take the North Tour and masulit yung time namin sa first day in Siargao. So we arrived here in Trogon Birch and super ganda. I love the overlooking view po sa waving ocean, sa big waves, sa sea breeze, sa winds and fresh air. Super, super ganda talaga ng Trogon Birch. So the entrance fee is 500 pesos, which is consumable for the food and drinks. And then if you want to do both and swim in a swimming pool, you need to pay an extra 500, so a total of 1,000 to actually use the pool and have the either lunch or dinner. So they accept credit card, GCash, and cash po. Super ganda talaga. They have an infinity pool. They also have this little parang tower. And then the best of the best is the overlooking view of the ocean. So this is their menu, and I'm definitely sitting in front of the ocean and the swimming pool. So ang masasabi ko lang po sa presyo nila, the 500 pesos consumable na sinasabi nila is only good for one dish, because their pricing is a little bit much expensive, maybe because it's an island. Alright guys, so we're done taking our lunch here in Trogon Birch. And guess what? Hindi pa kami nakapag-check-in guys because our check-in is at 2 p.m. So we just took the time to use this one for the tour. It's gonna be a long day, a fun day, and a holiday. Okay, so next destination is Pasigon Beach. Entrance fee is 100 plus per head.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're here in Pasigon Beach. Ayan. RG, musod ka? Musod ka? Beach.
Kamo.
O pa ka check-in. 80 na lang? Na discount sa senior?
Senior usap.
80 ang for head, guys. Okay. 80.
Sa nga na ni?
Pasikon Coastal Cleanup Drive. Let's go inside, everyone.
80 mil.
Wow! Nice kaayo! Nice kaayo! Okay na ba ito? Guys, super nice. Wow. Okay guys, so they're actually having a relaxation. Zip, 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 everyone. The butong is $70. 70 pesos.
70,000.
Tsaka.
Environment friendly, but
Oo.
it does not taste good.
Good.
The button.
So, Alfred will show you how to sip a
Super dulis ka pa na to din na yan.
So guys, magtupigat na lang daw pag ako may ka-check-in. The host should make tour. What may nag-expect? Alright guys, so we're here in Secret Mountain View. Energy level, 30%. Ay. No ka mga edaf. Mga gahom. Alright guys, so namin karon sa Secret Mountain View kung saan pinuntahan namin yung team. Hello guys, so we're here now in our third destination. Fourth destination in Little Hawaii because she's not too old. She's just little. Here, I'm in Hawaii. So guys, mag-stop over sa Midari para makita may refreshments. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Coffee lang ka?
Napag ko yung matcha and non-coffee.
Say non-coffee diri.
Si matcha and
Rock.
the
Wow.
tama ba ko? Other than
Alegría
choco
Beach.
milky, white choco, strawberry.
Unsa na siya?
Nasa like, halo-halo. Oh. Anong ka naman? Virginia sir, cheese.
Thank you. Oh guys, so wayo diri sa name mo te. Nag-agi niyo sa Little Hawaii. Na diri sa unahan sa Little Hawaii. Little Cafe. Oh, tama. Chill out cafe. Only for 60,000 pesos. Oh, 70 day.
Hi. Imelda.
Welcome to Siargao.
Yeah.
Hawaii.
We support their small business.
Oh. Limonit gihapon. Dahil pag kapoy niya mga kuan.
Nami.
Hello everyone, so we're here in Alegría Beach. Not in Alegría, Cebu, but Alegría Beach in So this is a free beach resort, public beach. Look at this, guys. Yan.
No, kita ko mga seafood.
Unas maghapon. Pero pwede lang nga ito makaligo, no? Sa layo-layo lang.
Madagan pag ako sa kilometro, sa ka makadus na.
Maligo na ko, oy. Kay.
Hindi to siya dirday.
Hindot ng white sand, kaya. Dili ta magtambay, oh.
Maginti ayo siya.
Alright guys, we're already here in General Luna. And guess what? Ma-check-in na kami guys. And we're so tired now. Alright, so hi guys. So we have arrived here in our accommodation. So finally, tapos na po yung North tour namin for this day 1 in Siargao. We're now here in Megan's homestay. Nakatawa mga person. So nakanap should me for tonight's birthday dinner ni Alfred! Happy birthday! Kahapon ay yung birthday kasi niya no April 11. So we decided na well, it's a 1-week celebration. So we'll continue the celebration here tonight in Siargao. Alright guys, naka-check na kami kanina. Mga ano na no, mga 5 p.m. Past 5. Kasi we came from North and then here to General Luna. So bukas, mag-room tour tayo. As usual, if there's a vacation, there's a room tour. And mamaya, we'll be having a birthday celebration outside sa atong dear friend, Alfred. I will enjoy the rest of the evening here, and this will be the end of my part 1 or day 1 in Siargao. See you for day 2 tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Good night.